How to solve the Telegram SMS fee problem. Alright, let me start by logging in. Alright, let me proceed. Now right here I have to insert my email. So the code has been sent to my email, not on my phone number, but rather on my email. So I have to go and check it. So I've inserted my code. So after inserting the code, it is notifying me that high SMS costs. Telecom providers in your country charge Telegram very high price for SMS. Then verification required. Telegram needs to send you the SMS with verification code to confirm your phone number. Sign up for 1 week premium. So it's letting me know to sign up with 1 week premium. And so when I tap right here, it will request for the card details, which I'm not willing to use. Right, let me first long press the app, then tap the about section, then I first stop the app, then heading over to the app permissions. We have call logs, camera, contacts. What we are interested in here is location. I'll not give Telegram access to my location. Let me head over to the app. So let me go log in, select the country, then head over, insert the number. So I've inserted the number once again, then I head over to I accept. Then it's letting me know that the SMS fee problem still. Let's try another trick. So the other thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna clear the cache, the app cache. Right, let's try clearing. Let me try to log in once again. It's still showing me the same thing. Right, let's go back to our settings. First stop the app, then clear cache, then open the app. Right, then log in. Still it's displaying the same thing. Let me try to long press and go to the settings and go to the advanced. I don't see any other option that I have. Let me try to connect to a VPN. Let me go to the secure VPN. So our secure VPN is connected. Let me check the country that is connected. We're gonna check for the country that we're connected to. Location, auto connect. Which country? Okay, let's choose France. So heading back and let's clear the cache. Alright, let's open the app, giving us the same thing. So did I use a wrong VPN? No, I use an authentic VPN that gives you servers. You've seen that it lists Pro servers. That means that it's an authentic VPN. We try to clear the cache, we try to do all the other things that creators have been telling you that you have to do this, you have to do this. We've tried everything. It has failed to work. Listen to me. This is the only method that is gonna save you. Subscribing to the Telegram Premium. That's the only method that's gonna save you. I'm honest with you, and I know creators have been coming out and saying that you can bypass this, but I think every day Telegram tries to make it better, so I can just bypass this request. I know some people are using VPNs, are using different kinds of softwares to bypass this, but that's for a limited time, and I'm not sure whether it works 100% or they're just hyping users about it. So the only advice that I have for you is you subscribing to Slogan Premium. It's only $1, or otherwise you're gonna watch a lot of videos, and they will tell you the same thing. But I'm honest with you, this is the only way that I know that works. If you have not watched my video about how to subscribe using your card, your bank, or something like that, please, I'm gonna link it above. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.